Hello, good morning, friends. So, this is coach time. So, recently we have completed the goal of our subscribers goal, that is 1000 subscribers. Thank you to all. So, here is our next goal, that is 1100. So, this is the fourth lecture regarding the operating system. So, we are looking for different types of operating systems. So, here is the playlist, and then click on operating system. So in the previous lecture, we have seen different types of operating system. We have started just like uh, batch OS operating system, then multi-programming operating system. We have seen we have seen these types of multi-programming. Then third is multi-processing. Then so there must be a network error. Okay, so three. Okay, so just let's go to our folder. So here is our folder. So there are upcoming total different types of playlists are coming, like C programming, C++ programming, database, DSA using C, DSA using C++. Then operating system is going on. Then Git versus GitHub. There is a topic must be discussing, and a new playlist like Chat GPT, like real time AI, like that, on completing different types of subscriber goals. Okay, so our then click on operating system. Then we have created the today's class, that is 14.9.23. Okay, so this is our playlist. This is our PDF file. So in previous we have lectures about multitasking OS, multiprocessing OS, multiprogramming OS, batch OS, and okay. So batch OS first, then multiprogramming second, third multiprocessing, fourth multitasking. So fourth we are looking for multitasking operating system. Okay. So simply opens the paint. So simply we will add the heading, that is multitasking OS. Okay, multitasking OS. So multitasking OS simply is a logical extension of multi-programming system. Like, okay, just I will do now. It is simply logical extension of multi-pro multi-programming system. Okay, there must be a background noise, so please avoid that. Okay, so it is a simply a logical extension, means it is a simply logical extension of multi-programming system. What does that mean? That, for example, we take an box. Okay, wait a second. Yeah, okay. Then we take this is as operating system. Then we will take another box. Okay, so this is our CPU. CPU. Okay, then simply we take different types of tasks, like, okay, this is the task 1, this is task 2, this is task 3, this is task 4, or many more tasks like that. Okay, Okay, there are different types of tasks. So simply in task one, we take task one like editing different types of like Microsoft Word or notes. Okay, notes, edit or Word. Okay, for example, printing the page, typing the test. So this is different task. Task two, like opening different types of apps, then softwares, softwares. Then three, task three is like means playing different web applications like YouTube. The second, let's reduce the font. YouTube like uh, course time, course time. Okay. So task four is like updating apps or creating. Okay, and many more like that task. Task five, task six. Okay. So simply multitasking operating system means that this is the operating system CPU and there are many different types of tasks are going. So for example, we have also seen the batch operating system. The difference between two is like the batch operating system simply classifies the on the basis of task like similar tasks. But in this case, multitasking operating systems operates at different tasks at one time. Okay, let's add to this operating system. Okay, there are different tasks are going on for the operating system. Okay, so simply we'll save to our where is our study folder. Let's study, then operating system, then today's class, then 1409. So this is the first slide. Okay, simply we'll save it. Then we will see different types means like different type theory for this. Okay, just increase the font. Means simply it multitasking OS. It it's it allows it allow users like different users are for operating systems to perform more than one okay task at the same time. Okay, this is the simple definition for multitasking or different tasks at one time means like different task time means like installing different apps or updating, then um, web web scraping. Web scraping means simply it is it is it is a part of web development. Please means if you want to learn this, please watch the HTML, CSS, JavaScript playlist 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 on course time. Okay. If you didn't know the web scraping, web scraping simply means scrap the web data on that. Like there are different sites like Flipkart, Amazon. So it's simply a user interface which is means directly written from HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and simply it scraps the data of that website. So it is called web scraping. Okay. Then programming, then software update. Okay. So these are some tasks performed by operating system at once. So it is called multitasking operating system. Okay. So we will save it as 2. Then we will see the advantages and disadvantages of the operating system. So simply we just copy. Okay. So this is the comparison between the advantages and disadvantages of multitasking OS. In advantages, simply do more things at once, save time, better organization, more efficient use of resources, better user experience. Then disadvantages, resource management issues, security risk, complexity, learning curve, overhead. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of the multitasking operating system. Okay, so we have some simply classified the data of advantages, or advantages of multitasking operating system is like do more thing at once means a multitasking operating system lets you do many things at once like playing game, chatting with your friends, downloading music. You have wait one thing before starting another. Then it simply saves time. If you want to write these notes, simply these notes also be uploaded on the Google Drive, or you can make notes while watching the lecture. Okay, then better organization, more efficient use of resources. Like efficient use of resources means like when we use a multitasking operating system, you can use your computer's resources more efficiently. You can use computer CPU, download a file, or you can just print the different types of pages. Use your computer GPU, graphical programming user to play a game. It means not wasting any of the computer's power, better use of experience. So here are the advantages of multitasking operating system. So disadvantages of multitasking operating system is like resource management issues. So many performing tasks at once, it causes the CPU running time and complexity because resource management is one of the biggest disadvantages of multitasking operating system, that it can lead to resource management issues when multiple applications are running simultaneously. They may compute for system resources like CPU, time, memory, which can cause slowdown your system crashes. Simply the if you avoid these disadvantages, if you want to avoid that, so please you can simply maintain one and two tasks at a time while running the CPU time. It can increase the CPU speed for running that task. Then security risk, because many tasks are open at once, so an attacker or hacker can simply hack your data or scrap your data at different tasks. While you are working on a task 1, there might be a issue in task 4 and task 5. Another disadvantage of multitasking operating system is that it can increase security risk. If one application get compromised, it may be able to access or modify data used by other applications. Okay, complexity multitasking operating system. So single let's wait once. Simply we will see this image at once because many means if this video is copied, then we can give a copyright strike. Okay, simultaneously we reverse the tabs for the copyright issue. Okay, complexity, learning curve, overhead. So these are simply multitasking OS nodes. Okay, simply we will save to our desktop folder. Okay, there are disadvantages like resource management, should security, complexity, learning curve, overhead. Okay, then we will move towards our next type of operating system like multitasking OS is done. These are advantages and disadvantages. Then networking OS. Okay, let's write once. So it is fourth. So we are looking for the fifth. We save it and then start our fifth operating system. Fifth type of operating system. Networking operating system. Okay, networking OS simply means it runs on server and provide capability to manage data groups, users, applications, and other network networking functions. Okay. Okay, it runs on a server and provide capability to manage data groups, users, applications, and other networking functions. What does it simply mean? So we take this, okay, and there must be an another like this. So we will name this as server because this is the main part of the operating system. If we name the server, there must be a different clients that wants request to the server for different types of tasks regarding the network. For example, this is client, 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 client. Okay, so this is a basic architecture of networking operating system. Means simply networking operating system means like it creates a network between client and server. For a okay, just create a new slide. Okay, for example, this is your user, and for a user means simply client, and this is the task to perform, and there must be sorry for this must be a task to perform. There must be a different types of servers available for this for accessing different types of tasks. Okay, if you for this is client and this is server, if this if you request the server for performing the task one, okay, just simply I will draw first, then I will explain according to that. mm, CL client server. Okay, these are various servers are available, and this is the task 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 one to n. Okay, simply we will copy this. Simply, okay. So this is the client, and there are many different available servers, or you can simply add different types of clients according to the task one. If the client then server, it simply want the task one of the task like task 59, it must be create a network operating system for this client server and task. So this is the bridge connection for this. So this is called the networking OS. Networking OS. So okay, if you understand it, then simply if the client wants another server for requesting another task like number 100, if the client want another server for performing different tasks. So this is the simple architecture or simply understanding the network operating system. Okay, so okay, I got it. Okay, thank you. Yes, let's see the PDF. What is it? Means okay. So this is the we have explained that networking operating system. This runs on a server and provide capability to manage data groups, users, and applications and others for networking functions. Like these are the in the task. These in this task. Okay, in this task, these are different user applications and other networking functions. So simply these tasks are user applications or different functions to be used. This allows networking operating system allows shared access to resources. So simply is access to share resources between that. Okay, because if the client requests to server, this task one resources can be used by the client through the networking operating system. Okay, we see some advantages and disadvantages of operating. So simply we save and paste advantage and disadvantage of networking operating system. Networking OS advantages. So advantages like network tariff reduces because networking OS creates a simply a bridge connection to client server. So removes the traffic resources or various data requirements for that network. So here we will get the increased speed for that due to division between client and server. Because client server operating system is divided to a special types of operating system. Okay, less expensive to set up and maintain. Server access is possibly remotely. Then disadvantages like servers are costly, maintenance and updates are required frequently, failures of one node affects whole system. Okay, These are advantages and disadvantages of operating system. In the next lecture, okay, so there is another, we are going to start another playlist, or simply we have different types of work. This is a simply 30 to 40 minute sessions. Here we are going to discuss about different types of operating system. In the next lecture, we will see the real-time operating system structures and time-sharing operating system, operating then distributed, then functions. We will start another chapter of functions of operating system. Okay, real-time operating system. Okay, so simply we will save this. Okay, so then simply unchange this. This word is also saved. Then simply we'll go to our post time, then on the drive folder. If you want to access the drive folder, so simply go to playlist, our operating system playlist. So this is the operating system. Just click on the video, then go to the description of that video and simply click notes. There must be a Jira link in these notes. So simply you can, so here is our today's class. Okay, so this is the operating system. Okay, got it. So these are notes available. These links are also available and in the description box of the every video. Okay, operating system. Then today's class we will upload our folder upload. Then no desktop study. That is the study folder. Study operating system today's class 14. Okay, 14 then we will simply upload. While uploading this, we can see our next subscribers goal in this community tab. So there means our new, these are upcoming new playlist on completing different subscriber goal like 2000, 3000. Like these are courses drive into the world of .NET Core. If you want a quick access to this course, because it is uploading on the completing different types of subscribers, like goal like 1500, 2000, then 2500, 3000. If you want to wait, you can wait. If you want instant access, please drop a mail to the course at 029@gmail.com. You will get all the details regarding this course. Okay, these are live subscribers count. Then there is another course which is also available. This is the DevOps course, which is also going to upload in on completing different subscribers goal. Then these on this we completed our 11. This is our next subscriber goal, that is 1100. On the completing of 1000 subscribers goal, we have uploaded 25 course videos uploaded successfully as we completed 1000 subscribers. We uploaded this time because we have achieved our goal like 1000 subscribers. We upload two videos per each playlist. Okay, on completing 1100 we will upload one video of each playlist. This is another course, data science, data structures and algorithms. Then if you want like if you want any courses, please comment on this post only. So we are taking the requests of the various students for wanting their courses. We will, or simply you can drop an email to course at which course do you want. So you will get all the details of that course. Okay. So this is today's class, that is 1409 is successfully uploaded. So thank you for this. These are our social handles for this. Okay, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. So this is our Instagram page, that is Coach Times. Please follow this Instagram. because you will get different types of uploads regarding when the course will be uploaded, new upcoming playlist, and this is our Facebook page, like course type. Then this is our LinkedIn page, and this is our Twitter page. Okay, so one will for LinkedIn.